Hello and welcome to the Art of Still Life Styling prepping series. Today we're going to be prepping activewear and styling it as well as a lay down and a pinup. But first I'm just going to show you a quick prepping technique for these pants. Leggings. Activewear leggings. So while this heats up, I'll just show you the pants. I mean, these are pretty simple. It's just steaming, getting these wrinkles out. But I'm also gonna go separately and get the wrinkles out of the waistband. This will be pretty interesting and fun to style because of all that's going on with this pant. So I hear the steamer heating up. And we're ready to go. These usually don't take too long because of the fabric. If anything, there might be like a little bit of steam that'll show up as like a watermark with this fabric, but they tend to dry pretty quickly. I thought it was coming out, but it's not. All right, here we go. Yeah, so you see that? You're not ruining the pants, but sometimes it's a little scary because it changes colors with the steam getting it. I know in the past I've been like, oh no, am I messing it up? But nope, it's not being ruined. Right, one leg down, another leg to go. If you're ever like wondering or nervous that you might be messing up something, you can do a little test patch maybe on the back, the place that you know you're not going to see when it's being styled, and you can test steaming it there. You can also ask the producer if what you're working with is a true sample or is it production, and is the piece you're working on actually going to be sold, because most of the times we're working with samples, but if you're working with a piece that is going to be sold, you have to take extra care not to put pin marks in it and things that will stay because it's going to be purchased by someone. So that's always a good question to ask. Alright, just getting the back now. Get these little details here. Straighten them out with the steam so that when we're steaming it, it looks pretty clean. Look at that, wow. Looks brand new. Okay, other side. And then lastly, I'm going to get the sides because there is a little bit of a line, a sharp crease down the side. Okay. All right, so now we're ready to style this, and let me get its matching top. Hang this up. Now the time it should take to style, to prep, like something like this should take a minute or less because there's not much to it. It's always good to be aware of the time. You don't want to have your stylist, if you're assisting, you don't want to have them waiting on you. Like, let's say they need this right now and you're taking 15 minutes to steam it. It's like, can you hurry up? you know, because it's slowing down the day. And, you know, you want to do a good job, but you don't want to you want to do a great job actually. And you want to get to the point where you can do a great job and do it fast. That is possible. Just because you do a great job doesn't mean you have to spend all day on it when it comes to something like steaming, okay? So I think this is good and ready to go. But yes, it's always a good idea to ask if what you're styling are samples or production, and if it's okay, you know, to make a pin mark, or, you know, it'll just let you know how careful you have to be with the items that are being prepped and styled for the day. So here is our set, and we'll show you later, I will show you how to style this as a pinup and a lay down in a separate video. Thank you for watching.